And now we can discuss about the infection control and ventilation requirement for AII rooms. AII means Airborne Infectious Isolation rooms. So ensure that the airborne infectious isolation rooms, AII rooms, are designed to maintain negative pressure. So the first step is that we can ensure that our AII rooms are designed at negative pressure. So maintain continuous negative air pressure no less than 2.5 Pascal, which is zero point 0.0 inch of water gauge. Uh, so we can maintain continuous negative air pressure, but the pressure could do not decrease from 2.5 Pascal in relation to the air pressure in the corridor. So this is accompanied via a separate exhaust system side to remove at least 50% more air than that of the supply system. So we can maintain continuous negative air pressure, but it cannot be less than 2.5 Pascal with respect to the air pressure in the corridor. So this is the second requirement. The third is that monitor air pressure periodically, preferably daily, with audible manometers or smoke tube at the door for existing all room, or with a permanently installed visual monitoring mechanism. So we can monitor air pressure on daily basis. So we use different devices for monitoring of air pressure like manometer, smoke tubes at the door, and similarly we can permanently install visual monitoring mechanism. So provide ventilation to ensure greater than 12 air changes per hour. So we can provide ventilation that can and ensure that at the 12 air changes per hour are required for renovated rooms and new rooms, and greater than 6 air changes are required for existing AII rooms. So the recommended air filtration for class N airborne infectious isolation room is MERV 14 rating air filter 90. So MERV 14 is a filter which can filter about 90% of dust spots, dust particles. So we can recommend MERV 14 add on the supply side of the ducts, and similarly we can recommend HEPA filter with 0.3 micrometer DOP. DOP is basically test of HEPA filter, so on the exhaust side. So we can install MERV 14 filter on the supply side and HEPA filter on the exhaust side, because when we exhaust this contaminated air on the environment, the people that are present in on that places are affected. So we can filter